Mrani bafethu today ngifuna ukukhomba amajaketi esinawo bafethu yabona lana ngishaya ngo the North Face yayibo leyo nto North Face bafethu lona yayibo leyo nto so eksiyona ke lena bafethu yabo ipackage ayiphuma so ipackage yayibo leyo nto so if you interested uyayifuna bafethu ikhona isiyambisa bafethu esiyamisa 650 yabo so 650 so it's so outside yabo ublack wakhona lo bafethu ublack wakhona lo then kanjena la maside kanjena yabo black lo bafethu and warm guys very warm yabo only was 650 nje ayithola nje yabo sinama colors ahlukile but lo medium wakhona lo medium wakhona lo phakathi kanjena phakathi yabo medium wakhona lona yabo zero warm guys very warm yabo ushulo ngahamba nawo lo at the same time uyakwazi ukuyivula la yabo mawivula la uyayivula lana and then ukhipha isigcobo lendawo lesigcobo hleli lapha because ngathi busy yebo so ibuya kanje ithi indrokhele yona just uyibone nje yabo just uyibone inerokhele yona ukuthi ihlala smart njani emzimbeni yawo ihlala kanje yayibo lonto anje uyizolonge nawe be out uzizwe yabo lo cherry it's unisex ngena everywhere guys it's unisex yabo ngena everywhere once uye ngudwethu yabo inje la emuva yayibo lonto bantu blind so niyithole yona bafethu only nje ngo650 fethu uba mnandi yabo sinama colors ahlukile lo medium lo you understand khona large khona extra large khona extra large you understand and then bekhona la navy zonifana ama picture la navy la phezulu black la orange la phezulu black zikhona bafethu ezinye lazi black lazathi zimhlophe base kuselezi few lezo abo medium aba2 yabo so mawujaha mawushesha nje uzoshesha wathole but if umuntu slow lekhohle ngeke usawathola so make sure bafethu ukuthi nan support abafethu thole the north wakho ube mnandi yebo lonto drip ube mnandi ubeke iswega yazini bakhalise the same time warm yebo lonto so ningithinte ku WhatsApp bafethu ama number amakhona ku bio ningithinte lapha yana ukwazi place ama order wenu and then ukwazi ukunisendela ithu let's see